तो तुम बहस जब करते हो ना तो यू नीड टू स्टेट फैक्ट्स केयरफुली। तुम बहस करते हो अपने को प्लीज करने के लिए, बट यू नीड टू इम्प्रेस अस। अनलेस वी अंडरस्टैंड फैक्ट्स वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक अप आवर माइंड। भाई आप वेंडर हैं, आपके साथ कोई एग्रीमेंट है या आपको एग्रीमेंट करने से रोका जा रहा है,
स्टेट ऑफ
गवर्नमेंट का लॉ क्या है, स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश का क्या लॉ है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का क्या लॉ है, you are arguing a writ petition. You have to make out a complete case on facts first. Then you should harp on the any lapses or any illegality, alleged illegalities. Mr. Raghuvanshi, आप पता कर लीजिए और
जी
further 2 weeks time as prayed for granted seek instructions. देखिए writ petitions जो होती हैं ना, these are the original proceedings. You all should know कि writ petitions, when you argue, there is a way of arguments of writ petition as against the appeals. In appeals, the judgment is there, so you have to make out a ground. But in either case, you have to state facts. In writ petition, you will not only have to state facts, ensuring that your argument is within the track of Article 226. The moment you get into the factual disputes, the attention is diverted, because your argument should be in the track where you can make out a case of violation of your legal rights or fundamental rights with no dispute on facts. The moment you start having factual dispute or factual inconsistencies, you are out of the track. So your argument should be straight on this. These are the facts. This is the question involved. While statement of fact is also an art. Which facts are required to be stated for making out a case for the relief sought for? Many times it is said, what not to speak is more important than what to speak. The factual narrations is the opening part of your argument. This should be very carefully understood and then formulated. First 2 minutes जो arguments के होते हैं, that leads to the judge to decide to make up his mind. और 2 मिनट में आप यहाँ वहाँ गए तो you lose the attention of the judge. इसलिए कहते हैं कि writ petition जो बहस करते हैं, you have to be very particular. You should be sharp enough what is to be stated to make out a case in 2 minutes. Yes.